Vijay Verma in Matka King also has slightly similar journey like yours, you know, कि बहुत पहले से वो काम कर रहे हैं.
Vijay also has started very humbly in terms of screen space, in terms of footage, in terms of opportunities. He still has his feet on the ground. I have a very good relationship with my gut. We are best friends. I often listen to it. For me, if I'm not going to have fun doing it, I mean, having fun is a non-negotiable thing for me. It cannot be negotiated. The monies that I want to charge, those are non-negotiable.
आपकी sauce क्या है? Like, why do you think you cracked it and maybe others couldn't?
I don't think I have cracked it and others have not. Once in a while, you should do things that scare you or that will test you, or you will feel कि okay, यहाँ पे ना तो मेरा पूरा skill दांव पे लग जाना है.
Hi everyone, welcome to Filmy Beat. This is Hesha Chima and joining me here for a conversation today is Saita Mankar. Hi!
Hello!
So sweet and so pretty you're looking as
Thank
always.
you. So are you? How are you?
Thank you. Good, good, good. Last I met you was Dabba
Dabba
Cartel.
Cartel, yes.
And जब साई अपना hair और makeup सब करा रही थी और मैं बस घुस गई थी अंदर and I was like, okay, let's do this with you.
Yeah.
But
That was
today
fun.
today is also different because
Yeah.
I'm finally getting to chat
Yes.
with you. तो मेरे पास बहुत सारी बातें हैं करने के लिए. So I'm going to
बिल्कुल.
just go
Yay.
straight into it.
Please.
But firstly, congratulations.
Thank you.
Beautiful year and Matka King's also released
Yes.
and it's for everybody out there to watch.
Yes.
And मैंने ऑफ कैमरा बोला है बट मैं इनको ऑन कैमरा भी बोलूंगी कि मुझे आप सीरीज से ज्यादा अच्छे लगे हैं.
Thank you.
No, of course I
Thank
enjoyed
you.
it as well. But you know why I said this? Because Dabba ke time pe when we spoke, there was not much out and you couldn't talk much about your
Sure,
character
yeah.
either. Where we exactly knew what everybody else was doing.
Yeah.
आप एक cop थे.
Yeah.
So you couldn't talk much about it. And I
Correct.
loved you so much. I was like, oh my God, wait. Like, how is she doing it so effortlessly? And now when I'm seeing you in Matka, I'm seeing that you're consciously making decisions in terms of what you're picking, you know, and that awareness, I'm sure aap bologe ki it comes from, you know, through the years, etc. But it's also gut instinct.
Yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes, you are absolutely right. And I have a very good relationship with my gut. We are best friends. I often listen to it. And gut also often listens to me. So yeah, it's a great friendship. I like slightly intense characters. I like characters who, I mean, for a change, this is a female who doesn't speak much.
Yeah.
She chooses to internalize it, and I am not somebody like that. I have to say what I feel. And at a point, I felt that Barkha also possesses that quality. She will say it, but she will say it at the right time, or she will say it after processing it. And I think that's a great quality.
Yeah, but you know, I want to understand this, that through the years, has it been easier for you to understand ki, okay, ye hai mere negotiables and ye hai mere non-negotiables? And I'm also asking you because you're dabbling multiple languages as well, right? So maybe at one time you have to be Sai who's working in Marathi film industry. Then the other time you come and you switch and you're a part of the Hindi film industry. And kudos firstly on doing that
Thank
so
you.
well. But like, how do you balance out your negotiables and non-negotiables then?
I think they keep changing. Like your core negotiables, they do not change, but peripheral, they keep changing. For me, if I'm not going to have fun doing it, I mean, having fun is a non-negotiable thing for me. It cannot be negotiated. The monies that I want to charge, those are non-negotiable because I think you should get what you deserve.
Absolutely.
One should get what you deserve. I think everything else sort of flows with you, changes or not, mutually changes sometimes. But these are my stark non-negotiable things.
I love it. You know, and I have to say this क्योंकि बहुत time लोग, you know, they're not very comfortable talking about the fact that okay, money matters make them very uncomfortable. And say I'm the opposite. मतलब अगर मुझे मेरे लिए पैसे मांगे, मैं मांगूंगी.
Of course.
Yeah, I don't think it's like
It's
an
your
energy
hard-earned
exchange.
money. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Plus, I also feel like we're born on this planet where the energy exchange, the currency is money.
Yeah.
So why not? You
Yes.
know, because I'm putting in so many hours and
Yes.
I deserve
Because
it.
deserve it.
You just totally deserve it. But tell me something, did this come to you naturally way earlier? Because if I'm not wrong, you're working since 2007, 8?
Yeah, I think so.
And that is like a baby size.
पुराना चावल.
पुराना चावल पक चुका है
Yeah.
अभी. But क्या ये clarity तभी भी थी कि अब आई है?
Like I said, you learn a lot of things. You sometimes make mistakes and then you learn out of them.
Yeah.
I used to be very careless, non-disciplined about my finances earlier. And I think I've learned a great deal from that.
Yeah.
However, once discipline imbibes, then life becomes easier.
Yeah.
And then you realize कि इतना करने से अगर इतना कुछ कष्ट दूर क्लेश दूर होने वाला है तो why not? So yes, it's a learning process. It
Happens through
keeps
the-
on getting polished, I believe.
But you know, I don't know now. Through the years, you can correct me. I have a lot of people who come and tell me this that you know, we probably became wiser and we got comfortable asking for what we deserved after experience, not very early on. But I'm somebody who believes that a crying baby gets the milk. So I'm a personal believer that crying baby gets the milk. Where are you on that plane? Like, are you comfortable asking? Do you like hold back or like where are you?
I think you test your grounds pehle and you find your center pehle ki how you are as a person. Like, are you comfortable asking? Are you comfortable being stern about it? Or you want to convey it diplomatically? Or
Yeah.
you want to be point blank honest about it? So ये center देखने के बाद then there's a way of dealing. And I think you always deal it in such a way that you know the collaborator also should feel valued. They also feel that okay, this is a safe
Right.
bait. You know, we are not. This is not something unreasonable that she's asking for.
But are you also okay then asking for a particular role to be in a certain way? Scripts में changes अगर करने पड़े तो do you speak about those?
Not really. I'm not somebody who would touch somebody's or meddle with somebody's
Thought process.
thought process and the way they have seen the character and the film and the project. I don't like interfering with that. बाकी जो मेरे से मुझसे related चीजें, things that are in my control, I am going to dictate that. Yes, of course.
Okay.
I do.
You know, I want to pay you this compliment, and this comes from a space where I feel that as a woman, and especially just industry में आप हो, being secure in whatever you do is very, very important. You know, Wikipedia says this, and I'm going to quote it. Said Thamankar is one of the highest paid female
wow.
actresses in Marathi film
Yeah,
industry. That's amazing. Thank you. But you're also transitioning to Hindi specifically, and you've transitioned beautifully. But okay, you've transitioned beautifully to Hindi as well. But you've not been afraid of playing parts जहाँ पे other female characters भी हैं. Established actors, Shabana Azmi ji, you worked with her as well, and so many other beautiful women out there who did a great job in the show, and you stood out too. Please share ये sense of security कहाँ से आती है आपके पास? Because it's a big tip for all of us to learn.
I don't know really, but I think once in a while you should do things that scare you or that will test you or you will feel कि okay यहाँ पे ना तो मेरा पूरा skill दांव पे लग जाना है. So I like challenging myself in this way. But इसका कोई set formula नहीं है. I think it has got to do a lot with your upbringing, with what kind of values you have, a lot of things, I guess. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I've always been this person who's going to appreciate if she likes something, who's going to appreciate people who open doors to new things
Right.
because I have the bigger picture in sight always. And I think it's a combination of all these things.
Both. But it's a lot of guts too. Because the
Really?
choices that you're making, yeah, I
Oh,
feel,
yeah.
you know, पर क्या हो जाता है, and I'm saying this purely as an interviewer, you can correct me as an actor. Especially when you're doing regional cinema and when you want to transition to Hindi, you probably want main lead. कि मैं ही सब कुछ lead करूँ, you know. But people fail to understand that an impactful role with many people can also.
But you
Land.
know, in regional or Marathi also, I've never been stubborn about playing a lead.
Correct.
I've always
Fluid.
played characters which are spunky, which are full of fun,
Yeah.
full of risk, full of variety. So I don't have these set formulas ki this is the way, or
Right.
every person will have different paths to create, different paths to walk on.
Yeah.
And I think this is my path. I am just following what has worked for me in regional. You know, good work, consistently
Yeah.
good work is eventually going to create more work.
Right.
So I think doing your job perfectly is the only thing that you can really do.
That's true. And I feel अब क्या हो रहा है, the awareness is so much. I feel like actors today are no longer boxing themselves. They're open
Yeah.
to transition
Yes,
to
absolutely.
multiple. I think portals तो थे ही
Yeah.
पहले, अब languages के लिए
Yeah.
भी doors खुल गए, and
100%.
that's great. So I'm very excited to know when it comes to specifically Hindi language and Hindi film cinema. I want to know what's your roadmap like. I'm sure कुछ तो सोचा होगा.
I don't know what the roadmap is actually. I'm not somebody who plans things, but one thing is for sure, this is like a andar ki khwahish that I'm saying. But when people saw me, they should go like, "Ye ladki pagal hai." You know, this is. I want to be known as pagal.
Wow.
So yeah, I wish this happens through.
The choices you make
Yeah.
in the. Okay, so ये पागलपंती किस में जतानी है आपको? Action में दिखाना है, comedy में दिखाना है, love में दिखाना है?
Skills में, I think acting में. I don't want to limit myself, or I don't want to say that, okay, now I will only do this, or
Right.
now I will only do that. So yeah, open to imagination kind of a thing.
Lovely. Okay, you know, Sai, very beautifully you said, I don't want to limit myself. Okay, but unpopular opinion is that this industry and somehow the society limits you and boxes you, right? How do you want to like break free from that? क्योंकि आप नहीं कर रहे हो, but कोई और कर देगा.
Keep your head down and keep working because tags are inevitable. They shouldn't stop you. They should not limit you. They should not bring your confidence down. And I think you don't work for tags. You
Yeah.
work for so many other things, but they are a part of your life, and they should be given the kind of love they deserve, and only that much.
Okay. You know, I want to ask you this. What's your secret sauce? Because not many actors are successful, let's say, in making एक language में शायद वो beat अपना बना ले, but दूसरे में शायद वो इतना beautifully ना कर पाए. And Hindi is the toughest, let's admit it. But you've done that for yourself. People know you in both, you know, the different sections that you're working for. Hindi specifically is more competitive क्योंकि हम सबको बॉलीवुड में आना है, राइट? बट आपने अपने लिए वो नाम बना लिया है, एंड आप बनाओगे और भी ज़्यादा. बट आपकी सॉस क्या है? लाइक व्हाई डू यू थिंक यू क्रैक्ड इट एंड मे बी अदर्स कुडंट?
I don't think I have cracked it and others have not. I think everybody is trying. Everybody is. We always, you know, wherever we are, we always try to push the envelope. And
Yeah.
it's not just me. My fellow, my co-actors, my fellow friends are doing it. However, I think you should be ready to travel without any baggage.
Right.
That is very important to create your space, to understand where you belong, to understand what kind of things you want to do. I try and travel light as I can, and I think that's my secret sauce.
Okay. You know, your co-actor, Vijay Varma in Matka King also has slightly similar journey like yours, you know, कि बहुत पहले से वो काम कर रहे हैं, and then boom is one thing and the industry recognizes, right? I'm sure you all must have had some conversation on set as well regarding work, maybe generally. Something that you felt was very insightful that came out in those conversations. कुछ similarity थोड़ी सी है, बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया है, बहुत time से कर रहे हैं, and then there is an arrival moment where the industry opens up, right? You've had that too. So what kind of chats both of you all had regarding this? And if I were to follow up and ask you, at what point you felt that is project, say specifically, you probably got that in, you know, that you wanted?
I think Vijay also has started very humbly in terms of screen space, in terms of footage, in terms of opportunities. And he still has his feet on the ground,
Yeah.
quite so much. And he's approachable. He is open for your opinion. And I think these things they don't fade away with chaos when you start humbly,
Yeah.
or when you for example, if I had a small part in Gajni and now I get a layered character to play, I will always have the same love, the same value for that opportunity and this opportunity. I would be as humble, as grateful, as grounded and rooted, you know, still. And I think this quality he also has. And it's a quality to, it's for keeps, you know.
Yeah, you have to
It's-
keep it
yeah,
for the long run.
it's for keeps, and if it comes naturally to you, then it's a blessing. And I think that comes naturally to Vijay. And he's a brilliant actor. Acting is a collaborative art. You can't do anything by yourself.
True.
You always need a village to, you know, everything. So I think Barkha also is incomplete without Bridges' presence. And similarly, I think if he wouldn't have done so well, my performance wouldn't have flourished. So yeah, he's I would love to work with him again.
Wow. And the follow-up question, where do you feel that you actually felt that this is the time where industry did open up to you with that one project?
I think after Mimi. After Hunter, it did.
Yeah.
But I think there was a long gap. And I think Mimi bridged that gap.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, Sai, before I wrap things up, you know, I'm very excited to know certain things about you which probably are not work oriented.
Okay,
Because
sure.
I don't know you otherwise. So
Sure.
I want to get to know you more.
Sure.
I want to know what kind of content Sai likes to consume. Because if you're, you know, on the other side of the spectrum, you also need to be knowing what's happening on this side.
I love mystery. I love movies like Harry Potter
wow.
or Avengers. I love thrillers also. I love dramas also. I love love stories. मुझे intense love stories बहुत पसंद है. Yeah.
ओके अच्छा अभी मुझे बताओ जब पता लगता है मार्केट में कि अच्छा ये प्रोजेक्ट होने वाला है इसका सीक्वल बनने वाला है व्हाटएवर वुड यू एक्टिवली पिक अप द फोन एंड बी लाइक हे आई डोंट माइंड ऑडिशनिंग और you'd be not oh
Yes.
wow that's amazing
Yes.
okay
Yes. I think sometimes the distance is only a message or a phone call or a ask.
right
And you never know. So yeah, I do that.
okay that's amazing would you ever turn down a particular role purely because you feel that oh my god I won't be able to do justice to this because it's so big because somebody else put you on a pedestal before you could it happens to me hence I'm
Oh,
asking
right.
it's like there are times when somebody be like you're perfect for this Aisha do it and I'm like ये तो बहुत बड़ी मैं कर ही नहीं सकती I'm so sorry please give it to somebody else that's me and my self doubt
Okay.
but I would love to know how are you with it
I don't know. Maybe I'll take it up. But then when you decide to take such a big risk, you should also be ready to own the consequences.
Yeah.
And I would take it up in such a way that I would happily and strongly stand by myself.
Wow.
Through and through.
Through and through it. Okay. Okay. So teenage Hesha and like right now the 30s Hesha has like seen multiple role models through her
Sure,
journey.
sure.
Okay. I'm sure that must have happened with Sai to baby Sai to now who's like there. How have your role models changed? Who were they and how did they shape you?
A lot of them come from home. My grandfather, my aunt, my mother, my grandmother. It's never one person. You know, sometimes your foes also teach you something. Your friends also teach
Yeah.
you. So it's a combination of all of these people. Sometimes some characters also teach you. Sometimes my role models have been my relatives, my peers, friends, sometimes the characters that I play or the personalities that I really admire, like Priyanka Chopra or Ranveer Singh or Alia Bhatt for that matter. I really like Adarsh Gaurav also. So there are a lot of people who inspire you through their work, who keep you at it. So yeah, it's a beautiful journey and experience.
Okay. Okay. If you were to pick between a super duper successful Marathi film that you
Okay.
know this is going to do a blockbuster, and at the same time you also have a super duper blockbuster OTT show but in Hindi.
Okay.
Tough choices. Okay.
Okay.
Which one would you pick?
I'd pick Marathi super duper successful film because it's been a while.
Oh, yeah, you've been doing
Yeah.
Hindi quite a lot right now. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, tell me something. Does it still excite you to see yourself on the big screen? Or now you feel that actors are more generous in terms of where they're getting viewed? It doesn't matter where the platform is or what the platform is.
It has never mattered to me. For me, to keep interacting with your fans and audience is important. To keep practicing your skills is important. But I'm a big fan of big screen because it's a community experience and you create memories while you view it with other people. So I'll always be a bigger fan of big screen. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, where are you on the scale of destiny and hard work?
I think hard work, luck loves hard work. They go hand in hand. I think it's never only this or only that. It's a teamwork always.
Okay. Okay, lastly, before I let you go, what is it that you can actually talk to us about without being backed by contracts?
Anything and everything, yeah. I don't get.
Upcoming projects.
Of course, I can talk about it.
Yay.
I have two very interesting Marathi films releasing this year, and I have one more show with Prime called Karname, directed by Vinay Vaikul. Yeah, I'm quite looking forward to it.
Oh, wow. This is going to be a busy year for you, of course.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much, Sai. This was lovely talking to you. And-
Pleasure. You always ask amazing questions. I really enjoy chatting with you.
Oh my God, how sweet. Thank you so much. I really look forward. And I know it's going to be a busy year for you and a busier year even. And then I'm going to come and like bombard you, the managers, everybody again.
Looking forward.
Likewise. Thank you so much
Thank
for your
you.
time. Thank you so much.